Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Y68 Macaron smartwatch, as you can see here. And we are going to answer some of the questions, or a question from an inquiry from our subscribers on how to change the language of this wearable. Okay, so in this video we are going to show you a short demo on how to change the language. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's go and check. So we have here our smartwatch, and if you check on the details here, okay, the specs or the features included in this wearable, there is no section for changing the language of your smartwatch. Okay, so even if you connect it with a support app, okay, so we have here our support app. Okay, we already paired it with our smartwatch here. Okay, there's no section also for changing the watch face. Okay, so let's check. As you can see here, there's no section for the language. Okay, even here in the device itself, as you can see, we have others. Let's see. Okay, vibration settings only, dial settings, message push. So there is no section for language support. Okay, the only way that you can change the language of this one is when you change the language of your smartphone. So you can do that by, okay, so let's go to our settings here. Okay, go to your additional settings section. Okay, depending on your Android smartphone. As you can see here, we have language and input. So let's change it. Okay, tap on it, and let's say we want to change it to Spanish. Okay, as you can see here, then go to your app. Okay, if the section or if the app, okay, or the language in your smartwatch did not change after synchronization, okay, try to restart your phone along with your smartwatch and paired it again. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so let's check on the application. Okay, so you're opening the app. Oops. Okay, so the app is now open. As you can see here, we do have a different language. Okay, so try to synchronize it. Just refresh your application here. Okay, let's see. Okay, as you can see, it did not change here. Okay, so let's go, or let's try this one. Let's turn off this wearable. Okay, okay, so let's turn it off. Okay, that's it. Turn it on again and pair it with our device. Okay, this one. Okay, it's now connecting again. So as you can see here, okay, as you can see, we are paired with our smartwatch. So let's see. Okay, as you can see here, the language is now in Spanish. Okay. So as you can see, it's now so it follows the language of your smartphone. So if you want to go back again to the English language or to other language, just go to that section, okay, and of course change it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's try this one, additional language. Okay, let's go. Okay, idioma, English, United States, and of course our device here, it is still in the Spanish language. Okay, just restart it. Let's just turn it off. Okay, go back. Turn it on again. Load the Fitpro app. Okay, it now loads. Go to set. Okay, it's still connected. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So it did not. Let's try to see if we are still connected. So we are still connected. Okay. So if it did not change, okay, you need to, of course, start your smartphone. Okay, let's try. Okay, reboot. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so bind again the device. Let's see if it will change. Okay, as you can see here, it goes back to the English language. Okay, so again, that's it. If it will not work after changing the language of your phone, just restart your smartwatch or your support app or the smartphone. Okay, so that's it. So if you have any questions regarding the tutorial, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.